Right guys, now for number 6a, we've got 5 sine theta plus 12 cos theta. It wants us to express it in this form, right? So, you know the drill, 3 marks, therefore 3 minutes. Let's get the timer on in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, r cos theta, okay, theta minus alpha. R cos theta, cos alpha, plus r sine theta, sine alpha. Okay, now if you've got r, we can say that, 5 sine theta plus 12 cos theta is therefore going to equal r sine alpha sine theta plus r cos alpha cos theta, right? So therefore r sine alpha is equal to 5, r cos alpha is equal to 12, right? We know that r squared sine alpha sine squared alpha plus r squared cos squared alpha, okay, r squared that's going to equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared. So I can say that r squared is therefore going to equal 169, which means r is going to equal 13, okay? Now r must be bigger than 0, okay? So now sine alpha, okay, minute 20 minutes, minute 20 seconds. Sine alpha is equal to what? Well, sine alpha is equal to 5 over r, so 5 over 13. Alpha then is equal to okay. Put my calculator here. That's going to give me 0.395 radians, so therefore I can say that equals 13 cos theta minus 0.395. Okay, and that's going to be the final answer to that question. Right guys, now for number B, it says hence solve the equation 5 sine 2x plus 12 cos 2x equals 6 for 0 between x being between 0 and pi. So you know the drill. 4 marks, put the timer on now, 4 marks, 4 minutes, let's get cracking on. Boom. So what do we need to do here? Well, remember, okay, what our equation is 13 cos, okay, so 13 cos theta minus 0.395. Okay, let's think here. Now, what is theta? Well, theta in this instance is 2x, so therefore we get 13 cos 2x minus 0.395. Okay, so we can therefore say 13 cos 2x minus 0.395 is equal to 6. Okay, so therefore cos 2x minus 0.395 is equal to 6 over 13, which means that 2x minus 0.395 is equal to arc cos of 6 over 13, right? And from there we can say the following. Okay, right, I'm going to say let k equal 2x minus 0.395. Okay, so k is now our reference angle. Okay, so our reference angle is going to equal 1.19 radians. Okay. I'm in between these. Okay. So therefore 2 pi minus k, that's going to be the other one. Okay, so therefore we've got k equaling 5.19 as well. So therefore 2x minus 0.395 is going to equal 'kay. We get then is x equaling 0.742 for the top one. Okay, calculator. For the second one, we get x equaling 2.79 radians. Okay, both within the bounds over here. And hence, the question is solved.